Let's create a child work item directly from a parent record page in Enterprise Agile Planning. First, navigate to the Workspaces section and select the Strategic Planning workspace. Then open Enterprise Agile Planning. On the left side navigation panel, choose the portfolio you want to locate your epic from. For this example, we'll select the Digital Banking portfolio and open the Digital Payments epic. Click on the full details of the epic. Under the More tab, you can create all types of associated child work items from these tabs. For this example, we'll create a story as the new child item for this epic. In the Stories tab, click New. Enter a short description for the story and assign a points value. Next, select a team and an Enterprise Agile iteration. Finally, assign a team member to this story and click Save. Now, back in the Digital Payments epic, you can see the new story child item we just created.